So this is the Intex 16 foot by 48 inch deep Ultra XTR pool. So far we like the pool a lot. We had it for about 2 weeks. One thing I'll tell you is when you're putting the pool together, the top ring here goes together first. That's how you do it. And then you begin putting the legs on. So the ring's laying on the ground. So what you want to do is you want to you got to lift the ring and put the leg into this part here. And it's really tough because you're holding the ring with one hand and trying to line it up with the other hand if you're doing it yourself. If you're doing it yourself, or even if you're doing it with someone else, because it's the ring's heavy. What I did is I took an extra leg and I would prop up the one side, like put it on an angle, just prop this up. And then I could go to this side since the ring's now propped up, and I could use two hands to kind of get this leg into here and also slide it into this piece here, and then put the leg on at the or the foot on at the end. So what I did, and then once I got this one on, I worked on this one and I'd prop up the other side and then do the same thing with this one. And I keep working my way around until I was able to get all the legs on. Sometimes when you're sliding the legs into here, or you're sliding the ring parts into here, the top part, they say you can use baby powder to help them slide a little easier, because it can be a little tough to get them in there. I didn't have to do that. I let it sit in the sun for a while. The liner softened it up. I did have to fight with them a little bit. It wasn't exactly easy, but I did get them in. But you can use some baby powder, they say, to get them in here and to get them in here. It's a good pool. We got ours. It came with the robot. It's the robot here. It's the Intex ZX300. Came with the kit that we have. I'll put the link in the description for the kit. This is a good robot. It climbs the walls. I got to run it. As you can see, we have some stuff in here. But it does climb the walls, and it does a really fantastic job. It's a little slow, but, you know, you just set it and forget it, kind of. And you do get the filter and pump here, the sand filter. It's a little small, but it seems like it's keeping the pool clean. It's got the timer and everything like that. It's digital. And one other thing before I go is I want to show you guys, this did not come with the pool, but this thing here is amazing. What this is, it's a solar pool ionizer, and you can see inside it has like a metal coil kind of, and it has a piece of copper. And this thing, what it does, I'm going to put a link for this item too. It kind of cuts your chlorine use in half. And it uses some kind of reaction between the copper that's in there and the metal. You can see the metal that's around the copper, the piece of steel. It creates a reaction, and it cuts your chlorine use in half. You don't have to do anything. Just take it apart, take this blue cage off, and then clean it once a week. Great item to have to cut down on chlorine. Chlorine's more expensive than I've ever seen in my life. So I hope this video provides you with a little help and a little decision making for the pool. And I'm gonna put the link for the whole kit down below, and also the link for the solar ionizer. Thanks for watching, and have a nice one.